Yeah, a lot of people can solve this question correctly. This is a question on logarithm. All right, let's dive into the video. In this video, I'll show you tricks on how to solve problems like this. The first one you need to know, the first trick you need to know is this. If you have 1 by log a base b, this equals log b base a. Why are we saying that? The law states that if the log appears as a fraction, the log and the base will interchange their position. So clearly, this is the log and this is the base. They have interchanged their position, like you can see here. Now, this is the first trick you need to know. The first one. The first trick you need to know it. Take it down. Now, the second trick you need to know, I'll show you after this. Now, let's apply this now. From here, we have 81 raised to the power of log. They will interchange from here. This is 2 base 3 divided by 36 to power log 2 base 6. So clearly, they have interchanged their position. All right, so the next thing you need to know is this. If we have a squared to power log a base b, what happened? This man here can return back as a power. All right, so from here, let's apply it here. If we have 3 to power 4, because you know that 3 to power 4 gives us 81. Either 3 to power 4 gives us 81. So 3 to power 4, 81 multiplied by log 2 base 3 divided by what? We know 6 to power 2 gives us what? 36. So this is 6 to power 2 divided by the power of log 2 base what? Base 6. So from here, this man returns back. That is also how this man will also return back like that. So from here, this man is going backward and this man is going what? Backward. So if that happens, don't forget second law, the second trick, the first trick, the second trick, take it down. So if that happens, we'll have that. If that happens, we'll have that this is just 3 raised to the power of log 2 to power 4 base 3 divided by 6. This man is coming back raised to the power of log 2 to power 2 base 6. All right, the next one you need to note is this. The next trick, please take down these tricks. The next trick you need to know is this. If we have a to power log 2, or let me say a to power log b base a, this equals a, or either this equals what? B. Why do we say this equals b? This man cancels out this man, and the answer equals what? B. So what happens here? This man here can cancel out this man, and this man here can cancel out this man. Why are we saying they can cancel? Because they are bases. So from here, this base cancels out this base, and this base cancels out this base. So from here, clearly, what can we see? We have 2 to power 4 left. So this is 2 to power 4 divided by 2 to power 2. So from here, we can apply the law of indices, the division law, that says that whenever we are dividing and the two bases are the same, we take one of the base and subtract the power. So clearly, we can say this is 2 raised to the power 4 minus what? 2. So this equals 2 to power 2. And clearly, we know that 2 to power 2 equals 4. And this is the right answer. So clearly now, you can see that this is very, very easy. It's not difficult. All right. If you learned something in this video, do well to do what? To subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment there in the comment section. And remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. There are more videos for you to watch. I have a lot of videos there in the playlist. Go and click and watch them.